The ocean is much more challenging on human technology than most realize. The salt water blocks radio signals and is highly corrosive to many metals. Strong currents make mobility very difficult. The global AUV market is projected to reach 4.3 billion by 2029. However, the AUVs on the market today are not capable of being wireless due to signal disruption from the water. Currently, there is no real solution for long-term wireless tracking underwater. Until now. The wireless Aquatic Video Explorer is a remotely operated vehicle that achieves wireless communication using its innovative buoy system, allowing real-time GPS tracking and video streaming. The spherical buoy shape ensures minimal drag in any direction and is independently powered by a solar-powered bank. W.A.V.E is designed to be used in a wide range of applications, including underwater conservation, inspection and maintenance, and research and exploration. However, one of the most interesting applications we experimented with was detecting drowning victims. This could be monumental, as an AUV has never successfully saved someone from drowning. The object detection model classifies the person as either normal or drowning and is capable of calculating a decision in real-time speed. The key pose estimation model works by detecting 17 points on the human body. The data is then used to determine abrupt changes in the frequency of movement. Neon handles are attached along the communication cables to allow a struggling victim to easily pull themselves to safety using the buoyancy of the buoy. This means that currently, W.A.V.E is capable of saving someone struggling in the water. Next, we plan to implement autonomous capabilities and install an additional payload for a wide range of applications, including a personal flotation device to help drowning victims. Join us on our mission to bring W.A.V.E to life and save lives.